Here's another NX4 tip. If you've been thinking about getting an NX4, first of all, for the best place to get it is from us, aboveavl.com, and we're in stage lighting gear. We'd love to help. But releasing all of your cue lists is something that you may just do at the end of a day, at the end of an event, whatever, or you may even use it during your events when you just need to quickly and easily make everything turn off. Okay. If you've been on other consoles, you might hit something like pig release to release all of your faders if you're on that kind of console. Or you might hit off off if you're on another kind of console and turn everything off, right? Well, in Onyx, there's actually some more nuance to it that can be really powerful. Okay, so to release all of your cue lists, you want to hit snap and release, but don't hit them at the same time. In fact, you're always kind of hitting one before the other. Let's demonstrate the difference between these two methods here, just with our rig right here. So first, I'm going to hold release and press snap. Watch what happens. Okay, you may have seen that happen. I'm gonna do it again and explain what's going on. Okay, so I held release, I hit snap. Okay, this is kind of a typical release where everything in the lighting rig that's being controlled lets go at the same time, right? It all fades out. So your colors start to fade, your pan and tilt starts to move as the intensity comes down. Okay, which, I mean, if it's just the end of the day and you're clearing the rig, this can be fine. But if you're in an event and maybe you want to clear all your cues because, say, you store a fair amount in your default and you just have a lot running and you need to stop it and go to something simple and do so fast. Try this time doing it the opposite way. Hold snap and press release. Okay? What happened? Okay? You may have seen it there. I'll do it again real quick. We're going to hold snap and press release. Big difference. So when you hold snap and then press release, everything fades out first, and then the gobos come out, the colors come out, and the lights move and all that. It's much more elegant. And honestly, if you need for some reason to release all of your cues in the middle of some sort of event, this is the way cleaner, easier, more client happy way of doing it. So if you learned something new today, whether you used it on an NX4 or any other Onyx console, then please make us Above AVL and Learn Stage Lighting Gear the next place you get your Onyx console from. We love to help with any answers, and of course, we'll bundle training with it as long as you request a quote, so please do. We love to keep these consoles in stock and get them sent to everybody. Let's make Unix. We'll see you guys there. Thanks.